All right, good morning, guys. Welcome to new pre-market analysis. And today it's the 7th of August, Monday, start of the week. So no rush, nothing at all. And let's dive into it. So yesterday we did our forecast. Go check that out. Where I said, oh, what are we looking? Already start yawning before even like when I'm not speaking, I don't yawn at all. And as soon as I start speaking on this, I yawn. Yeah, it's a topic every time. Because it doesn't stop. Second. Pour some tea. I see actually. Ugh, self-made iced tea, but it's a bit bitter. And yeah, as I will be looking for shorts in this area. And I think that's still the play. You see, if we zoom out, that daily candle immediately start to turn around, coming up, and this is the first area. Can we look for buys? Not really. So I keep for the XY, I would say sells from here or above here. And I don't see any buy scenarios yet. Buys from below here, but that's too far away. So that's that for DXY EU. So we do not retrace yet into this area. So just quickly go to the 5 minute. You can see that we took Asia lows. So officially this is the Asia low, but I would say this one. Now let's take the original one. Actually, let's take the 1 minute and see what it says. So this is actually after Asia, which means that this is the original Asia low. That's not where the move came from. So I'm gonna take this one, because this is the one that broke above here. Yeah. So we can just take that one. That's where a little reaction got came from. So it could be this one or this one, because this is where the proper move came from as well. So 1 and 2 Asia lows, both are taken. We're not looking for longs yet. I said yesterday that because we have this bullish leg, and if we react from this bullish leg, so yeah, the fit retracement from this low that led to that high, then it's most likely as soon as we reach into discount pricing. But there's no area for me that I can use to trade from. Yeah, on the 5 minute, but I don't use 5 minute blocks. So for me, it's longs from here, and shorts from above here now, as we already took that liquidity here. Although, I mean, zoom in. If you take Asia highs and then move from here, that could be valid as well. But then I want to see the move from the order block, PY, sorry, supply zone, and not from just above Asia highs. So for EU, it's pretty simple as well. Longs from here, shorts from above here. And I would class this now as what's it called? Lower probability setup. Although bearish break, could class this as a bearish break. Oh, just not the strongest. So we can do that actually. Class this as a bearish break, but just keep in mind that's not this. Oops, not the strongest break. Yeah, well, here we broke and this was not strong. This is strong. Yeah. Then GU. So GU actually retraced a little bit, but didn't get that deep. GU is pretty much the same story as well. Gonna look for longs from here. Shorts are a little bit further away. So this one is a bit more tricky. But I'm choosing the same area, and then keep in mind that this might be a second Asia low. It's not, there's no such thing as a second Asia low, but I just use it for my understanding. So yeah, EU pretty straightforward. Forward. GU, you know, got that reaction. So sells from Asia, above Asia, from that supply zone, or from above here. Buys might be this area. This one is interesting because I think these are news lows as well. Yes, low. So if you get below that, we got a nice 50-minute supply that is still valid. We got 50-minute PY for value gap that is still intact. So got some interesting long areas there. The thing is, you work slightly different with structures. So that actually being said, if we take that 1 hour area, which includes this 1 hour PY, which includes the 50-minute for value gap and PY, I'm correct. That might actually hold up. That might actually be an area of interest for me. Yeah, interesting. But let's just wait, see what price does. Longs here, shorts here and here. And that's really it. Shorts here, not looking for longs. So shorts on GU or on DXY, meaning only looking for longs from here on EU, only longs from here on GU, and they have to light up with DXY. Keep in mind that this area has no internal range liquidity, except for this little low here or high there. Sorry. But if you zoom out, there's just nothing there. So just to keep in mind, like we can move without liquidity, but it's less likely to get a proper move without liquidity. Yeah. Looking at the news. Is there news today? FOMC member Parker. Never heard of him, but if he wants to speak up, man. So no interesting news today. Then Tuesday, nothing. That's good because I won't be trading on Tuesday. Trade balance, actually, it says trade balance. That's not interesting. Okay, the trade deficits due to significant import of oil and consumer goods. In 2018, the highest trade deficits were reported by China, Mexico, Germany, Japan, Ireland, Vietnam, and Italy, while the largest trade surpluses were recorded by Hong Kong, the Netherlands, Australia, the United Arab Emirates. A higher, okay, nothing there. And Wednesday, I think Wednesday, their first news events will come in. 10-year bond yield bond auction, sorry. Not that much. And then Thursday CPI, and Friday core PPI, GDP. Okay. Then we got some more going on Thursday and Friday. That's good. That's good. So we might actually see some slower PA during the start of the week. And then as soon as CPI, consumer price index, is about inflation and all that comes out, you might see some rockets or things going down, rockets going up. Yeah, that's my pre-market analysis, guys. Catch you guys in the market. Peace. Ooh, nice, the big camera. Peace out.